Hello students, welcome to online classes of third semester engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss a numerical solution of second order ordinary differential equation by Milne's method. Already we have discussed Milne's method for first order ordinary differential equation, where we used predictor and correctors formulas. The same thing will be continued for second order ordinary differential equation also. Let us see the situation, how it works. The given second order ordinary differential equation with two initial conditions will be reduced to two first order simultaneous ordinary differential equations. Means if y double dash is equal to g of x y dash is given second order differential equation with the conditions y of x naught is equal to y naught and y dash of x naught is equal to y naught dash. If these two conditions are given, then what to do? This second order differential equation has to be converted into two sets of first order simultaneous ordinary differential equations. How it is possible? We can see it is possible through substitution. What substitution to be taken? Here we can see the substitution is dy by dx, which is nothing but y dash, will be substituted as z. Here you can see x is the variable, y is the function. Other than x and y, z is been taken. So y dash is equal to dy by dx, which is nothing but z. Now it is taken. Suppose if we differentiate it once again to next order, it is a first order. So once again, if you differentiate with respect to x, then what happens? Y dash becomes y double dash. Dy by dx becomes d square y by dx square, which is equal to z becomes differentiation of z with respect to x. Fine. Then what it means now? Second order ordinary differential equation is converts into two different set of first order ordinary differential equation. This is first set and this is second set. Okay, so how these things will be considered now? So one thing is very clear now. Second order ordinary differential equation is being converted into two first order simultaneous differential equations. Fine. So what to do? Dy by dx is equal to z will be taken as first function, that is f of x y z. I'll be calling it as equation number 1. Similarly, the second order, which is again a first order with respect to z and x, so dz by dx is equal to something that will be taken as g of x y z. Means previously we have taken x y y dash, but y dash is nothing but z. Therefore, now it is taken x, y, z instead of y dash. Same thing. Again, the condition becomes y of x naught is equal to y naught. Same. Then y dash becomes z. Z of x naught is equal to z naught. So this is the scenario. How second order differential equation is being converted into set of first order ordinary differential equations, simultaneous equations. Now, we need to understand how these examples will be solved by using Milne's predictor and correctors method. Okay, Milne's predictor and correctors method. We can see here Milne's predictor and corrector method. Already we discussed this for first order, where in the first order what results we had? In first order we had these results, which says prediction of y4 is equal to y naught plus 4h by 3 into 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. Instead of y dash, now the substitution is z. Therefore, what we have taken? y1 dash will be taken as z1, y2 dash will be taken as z2, and y3 dash will be taken as z3. Similarly, wherever z comes, we will be taking its results now. Result in the sense, y dash will be treated as z now. Therefore, the prediction of y4 is equal to y naught plus 4h by 3 plus 2 times y dash becomes z now. So z1 minus z2 plus 2 times z3. As I told you, just check it out. 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 get cancelled. So y0 plus 4h, so it is y4. So it is correct. Similarly, we need z4 also, because we don't have single term now. We have two different functions. Therefore, we need z4 also, prediction for z4 also. That says, you can see here, just what you do, differentiate this. Differentiating this result. If differentiating y will be y dash, and y dash is nothing but z. So z4 prediction is equal to y0 will be differentiated, so it becomes y0 dash, that is nothing but z0, plus 4h by 3 into 2 times z1 dash differentiation minus 2 z2 dash plus 2 z3 dash. So these two sets are, one is for y value, other one is for z value, and remember, inbuilt z is nothing but a derivative of y only. Next comes Milne's correctors formula. These are predictions. This is correction set. What it says, same thing. What we had in the previous one, the same thing will be continued here. You can see here. Correction is what? y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. Here y dash becomes z. Therefore, y2 plus h by 3 into y2 z2 plus 4 z3 plus z4. If you add 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 3. So it is 2. So y2 plus 2 times h, y4. Similarly, then what is z? Z is very simple. It's a derivative. Differentiate this, you will be getting z. So what is that? If you differentiate this, it becomes y4 correction dash. So it is z4 correction. y2 dash, that is z2 plus h by 3. Then z2 dash, 4 z3 dash plus z4 dash. So like this, if you are able to calculate z,